Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to our second day out in Boracay. Our last day because tomorrow we're heading out to the next island. Woo. Let's try not to fall. It was good because last night we got back to the hotel and I went ham for like 5-6 hours. This went ham editing, but I finished the vlog, which is really incredible. Unfortunately, back in the Philippines, the Wi-Fi is like super slow, so I have the laptop back there, and hopefully it gets on YouTube by the time we get back tonight. And today we're gonna explore the island of Boracay, being our last day, and at first we're gonna get some food.
Boracay is a cesspool.
Boracay is a cesspool. Oh yeah, yummy. Ivor wanted me to swim in that lake last night. He was gonna pay me. I was like, no, thank you.
Do it. You should do it.
Jeez, let's try not to get hit by tuk-tuks.
A nice pedicure on your skin.
Oh god.
Yeah.
And this is like the main road of Boracay. Woo. Oh my god. I love this beach. Alright, 3 meals in a row here. I love the playa. Danielle, I promise.
I'm sweating.
It's okay, sweat is good.
Sorry, I have no makeup, you should tell me.
Yeah, this is the manager. She's like the best person in the world. She's a dancer too. That's okay. No makeup is the best makeup.
She's Lisa, focus on her.
Got you. So the reviews don't lie. Al Playa is really good. If you guys are in Boracay, come to Al Playa. Food is... You like the food?
It's the best.
It's the best?
Yeah.
And the view. Look at that. So this is a buddy that we met yesterday. His girlfriend is actually the manager of the restaurant.
Yep.
Want to introduce yourself?
Yeah. I'm Kevin Edward. Been staying here for 2 years. I play music out here, and I record my own stuff and put it out there on the internet to the world.
And he's actually from New Jersey, so we're both from the US, and yeah, United States, baby.
Yeah.
I didn't expect to meet someone like that out here. What are these?
I know.
Oh my god. Dude, you're famous. You're famous.
We got these made in Cebu, and yeah, they're pretty awesome. They only take 7 years to come when you order it. But, you know.
You got him.
Yeah.
All right, so we kidnapped Kevin from Danielle. He's going to be exploring Boracay with us for the day, and right now we're going to head to like the main road. We're going to try to catch a tuk-tuk and head to the first spot, which is arguably one of my favorite beaches in the world. Again, you guys are probably going to hear that a lot over the next 3 weeks.
100 per person.
Per person?
No.
Yeah, let's get out of here. This is a local. He knows what he's doing.
Or we could try to catch one of these like with people already inside, but we have to stop everywhere with them.
Okay.
Yeah. That's a lot cheaper, but you know, that's what's gonna
So this is why we got a local with us. Puka Beach?
Puka Beach.
How many people?
3? How much?
250.
250.
Yeah.
Total?
Yeah. Oh.
Can you do 150?
Where are you guys going? Okay.
Wait, he said yes?
Yeah.
We have no space. Oh god. Yeah, so luckily we have a local with us. We got Kevin. Otherwise, there's like so many different prices just to get there. So we paid about 150 pesos. That's probably like $3, maybe $2. And we're gonna go to Puka Beach, which is one of my favorite beaches out here.
This is not made for us.
How are you? How are you doing? Oh my god, this sucks.
Look at this road, man.
Do we really have a flat tire? Oh, it's like the chain came out or something.
Oh, yeah.
For a second. That's so safe, isn't it? Oh god. Oh, how are you, Ivor?
My head is bang.
You've been banging your head there. All right, so after like the bumpiest ride on the planet, I think Ivor knocked his head a few times.
A couple times, yeah.
A couple times. How are you in the front?
I was comfortable. I feel bad.
Must be nice. Yeah, we made it to Puka Beach. At this entrance, it looks like there's a lot of different shops, so you can definitely buy a lot of dresses, a lot of t-shirts, a lot of hats, a lot of seashells, puka shells specifically. And right now we're arriving to one of my favorite beaches out here in Boracay, maybe out in the Philippines. I actually got a necklace. Sorry, Rachel, I gotta point this out. But one of my favorite necklaces here. I actually exchanged it out about 2 months ago and Rachel got me this one. The necklace started smelling really badly, which, that's the reason why Rachel bought this one for me. And right now, maybe I'll find a brand new necklace for her this time. This water is so beautiful.
Is this from Adobe?
All right, we're gonna set up shop right over here. There's not many people, surprisingly, on this beach, which that's great for us. And yeah, we're gonna catch a little more beach action out here in Boracay. The sand is hard up here. The sand is soft right here, obviously the ocean, and I think these are puka shells right here. Maybe this is a puka shell, who knows. All right, shop is set up. Let's get in the water because it's really, really hot. You guys ready to swim?
Ready?
Ready?
Go!
Check, let's go. Do it, Ivor. The last time I was here at like 8 a.m. the water was like crashing really hard into the beach. The waves were huge. It was tough to swim because I'm not the best swimmer in the world, but the water's so perfect right now. Compared to Thailand, I feel like Thailand, the water is overly warm. It feels like you're swimming in pee, but out here in the Philippines, the water is absolutely perfect. And this is a good start to our day at Puka Beach.
Save money on face scrub when you're in Boracay. You grab a handful of sand from the water. Usually it's better if there's some rocks in it. And then you go like this.
I usually get it around the nose area. You know.
This is for real, right?
The ears. Yeah, like this? Completely real. Like this? I think you're doing it because I can't open my eyes.
Wow, feel much better already.
You do this for real?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's better.
Yeah, it's like super smooth now.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we are heading out of Puka Beach after about an hour or two. At the end of the beach and the beginning of the beach, there's a lot of boats, so tour boats. So part of the island hopping adventure probably stops you at Puka Beach, but I did the island hopping about 2 years ago. I wouldn't recommend it. It isn't really island hopping, let's say. It really just takes you to like 2 or 3 snorkel spots and the cliff diving point, which we hope to check out shortly. And the snorkel spots isn't that good on Boracay, to be honest with you. Yeah, so island hopping is not the best activity I would say to do out in Boracay. But right now we're gonna try to find a tuk-tuk and we're gonna head to our next spot. How does your face feel? Exfoliated?
Very exfoliated.
My face is feeling great. I did it too many times on my face with the sand.
Yeah.
It works though.
It does.
So, tips from Kevin, it definitely works.
Beauty tips.
Beauty tips 101. Okay, I got a shotgun. It's closed?
Yeah.
Why?
It is still under construction.
Oh no.
Where do you go for the cliff diving?
Island hopping, sir. For the cliff diving, you can go to Magic Island.
Do we have to take a boat there to the cliff diving?
Yeah.
Oh, we can't even go there?
Yeah.
So sad.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So apparently Mount Lujo is completely shut down. This is like one of the viewpoints out here on Boracay. Pretty unfortunate that half the businesses are still closed up on the island. I know the helicopter tour company that they had out here, the first time I ever did a helicopter ride, establishment is still shut down too. Apparently we wanted to go to the cliff diving site also. That's on Magic Island, I think she said, and you have to take the island hopping tour there. So unfortunately we can't even do that, which was the next 2 spots planned out, Mount Lujo and the island hopping over here. Well, let's say the cliff diving spot. So the next best thing, if we can't go up to the viewpoint, is let's get the drone up.
Drone, yeah!
The drone! So 200 pesos to the mountain, we couldn't get up, 200 pesos back to D-Mall, and we're back where we started this morning. Sometimes things don't go as planned. Unfortunately, we can't do cliff jumping or even the viewpoint, which we wanted to, but I got some drone shots up. And right now we're gonna head to Station 1 in hopes to catch a beautiful sunset. Yesterday had a little clouds, we still got some color, but we're gonna head to Station 1, get a coconut or 2, jump in White Beach again, and hopefully catch a sunset. Hopefully catch a sunset. Yes. That's the goal. So we shot all the way down to White Beach from Station 2 all the way down to Station 3 for this incredible Boracay sunset. Oh, this is the afterglow. Unfortunately, there's some clouds out there, but it still looks beautiful. Check it out. Woo. This is crazy. This is what you come out for. The famous sunsets. This is so beautiful. Gotta get those stories. Whew. So I think we're gonna enjoy this until it gets dark, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel, get some dinner, because we are starving. You like this, Ivor?
No filter needed.
No filter. Oh my goodness. All right, we made it back to the Fira Hotel. The sunset was absolutely beautiful, and we are at dinner right now. Kevin decided to join us too. And yeah, the day didn't go as planned, but you know, it was still a great day checking out Puka Beach. Unfortunately, again, half the businesses are still closed out here in Boracay, so maybe in about a year, 2 years, who knows where all the businesses will be up, but it was still an awesome adventure in Boracay.
Yeah, the beaches are amazing.
Beaches are amazing.
Yeah.
Come for the beach. It's a relaxing atmosphere. It was also awesome to meet Kevin. So we had a little adventure day. Unfortunately, didn't go as planned, but still incredible time in Boracay. Come out to Boracay if you're looking for a relaxing atmosphere. And Fira Hotel was an incredible stay over the last 2 nights. Last night today. Tomorrow we have an early adventure day. I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow, showing you guys our adventure all the way out to Ramblan. So we're gonna get eating right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog, and we'll catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching.
So good.
So good.
So good.
Oh yeah.